everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about a thing that we are all going through collectively, and that is the global crisis, which is the coronavirus. So we all know about the physical dangers of the virus, but there are also mental ailments that are cropping up. So these mental ailments could be feelings of suffocation, loneliness, and anxiety. Anxiety because of all the news that is going over and the dangers of the virus. So, also isolation, like we have never been in a situation like this before, wherein we were quarantined in a house for such long period of time, for weeks, for months. So, in short, those were some of the mental ailments that I shared, with the feelings of loneliness, suffocation, etc. So, here are some three tips that I have made it short, like in three parts, that you can use in quarantine and that can be helpful. So I've made kind of like flashcards for the three tips. It might not be visible in camera, so I'll read it out to you. The first tip is practicing patience. So I'll just quickly go through these three tips. So practicing patience can be done by many ways. It can be done by reading a book or sitting at a place for a longer period of time to do meditation or a guided meditation, guided visualizations, and stuff like that. And you can also listen to podcasts and audios or audiobooks, etc. Then let's go over to the second tip. The second tip is using positive reinforcement for completing tasks. Okay, so what is positive reinforcement? So personally, what I do with myself these days in quarantine, I have been having problems in trying to make a study routine and motivate myself to study because we are at the home all the time. So what I do is, if I have to study for an hour, so I tell myself that if I study for an hour, then I get to eat ice cream afterwards. So this has created a motivation factor for me, and the ice cream is the reward. So I hope this is I've made this in an understandable way, that you can reward yourself for the task that you're about to finish, which creates a sense of motivation which helps you to finish the task. So that is kind of like a positive reinforcement. So now let's go on to the third tip, that is taking it one day at a time. This tip is really great for anxiety and for the time that we feel has slowed down. For anxiety, because we worry what will happen about tomorrow. So we should only worry about tomorrow when it comes, and take all the precautions we can take today and right now. And that is just social distancing and washing our hands and just sitting in peace, self reflecting, and